Hello and welcome back to another episode of my series on this channel. I'm Vihaan and I will be talking about and making Python tutorials. In the last video I explained another Python tutorial and all of the processing stuff I'm running here. So it's beginning right now. So we're going to be making a password checker. It basically just checks your password. So we first want to define a variable for for the user's input, because we don't want the user to go into the code and then type it inside the box, the variable name. So if we just say password is equal to one equal input, and then what is this called? Those things, yeah. Then we want double quotation marks. Double quotation marks. It has to be a double quotation mark when you want to say something to the user, like what's the password, and then sorry. And if there was not quotation marks, double quotation marks there, it would set it as a variable and result in an error. So if we move on to the if statement, you just say if and then password is equal to 12. Oops. And what this means is that it's checking if the password is equal to 12. That's going to be our answer to this question. And it's important to have single quotation marks since it's a string here and we're comparing it. And there's double equals here because that means comparing. One equal means setting a variable. So that would result in an error. And we'll say we'll print down, print, and the input is basically like the print, just it's more interactive with the user. It's like almost the exact same things you can do with it, but the input has a little more. And then the double quotation marks, and then we say login. So now they got in, but what if they didn't get in? You would say if password is equal, since we're comparing, to, well, not equal, we want to say, because it would be not is an exclamation point, and then one equal, since the not kind of replaces one of the equals, but it still compares. So then you would say single quotation marks, and then you say 12. And that means if it's not, you would just read the exclamation point as a not. And then you would say that. And then we're going to say wrong. Yes, print. And if you want to repeat this again and again, there is a way to do this by just, just gonna, for neatness, I'm gonna just add a comment. Oops. If you want to repeat it again and again, you would say while true. True means just going to repeat again and again. And just say that. And the dot there means that it has this stuff inside it. And the reason why how I did and then you have to press tab to put this inside this. So you would have to highlight everything, then you would say Ctrl tab. Oops, sorry, no. Shift tab in at least this editor I'm using right now. No. Sorry. Or you could just tab it again and again. Like that, and then finally that. And now you're all done. So if we run this right now, and the run button is just on top, you can see, you know, ask what's the password. If I'm the user, I'm not looking at the code here. I'll say, hi, wrong. Maybe wrong. Maybe 12. Correct. So it'll just repeat and repeat. And we can make an edit in here to say, to end this program, we'd say if password is equal, oops, sorry, when is equal, meaning comparing, to single quotes, and then exit. And then say that, and then dot, and then we can use this command called exit, and then that. Pretty easy command right there. And then you would have to press enter, and then out of all of that, you want to say exit once more. Because exit means it's coming out of the while loop, and then it'll just go down here and exit once more. Oops, sorry, one minute. Card C, you just say in this place here, to stop the program if it doesn't end. So what's the password? We can say 13, 14, whatever. And then 12, we'd say. Yay. 12. 12. Then we'll say exit, and then boom, we're out. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. My GitHub will be linked in the description, and the last video I made with the details of the processing systems I'm using will be in the description or in a play card right now. Thank you, and have a great day.